Hello viewers, good morning everyone. How are you all? Today the topic is about, I'm not going to tell you the name of the topic. I will give you a clue which can you guess the name of the topic easily. Grammatical errors come in many forms and can easily confuse and obscure meaning. Yes, your guess is right. Today the topic is about, what is the topic? Common errors in English. Common errors. Some of the important common errors I would like to explain today by this video. So, grammatical errors come in many forms and can easily confuse and obscure meaning. Isn't it or not? Yes. Grammatical errors come in many forms and can easily confuse and obscure meaning. Some common errors are, most of the common errors happens with prepositions, most importantly, tenses, punctuation, spelling and other parts of speech. So I will write that sentence also. Some common errors in English mainly are with prepositions. Most of the common errors happens with prepositions, most importantly in our English. Most importantly. After that, prepositions, tenses, punctuations, spelling, and other parts of speech. We cannot write all common errors here. Other parts of speech. So while you are practicing the common errors in English, so take some sentences from prepositions, tenses, punctuations, spelling and other parts of speech. Take some sentences from all these parts and find the common error in that sentence. So here I am going to tell you some examples only. I can't write here all those examples. So especially in competitive exams, mostly we will get one question from this topic without any doubt, for sure. So if you see common errors, I would like to divide these common errors into two parts. Most of the common errors. I divided the common errors in two parts. That is, first one is grammatical. So the spoken English is different and the grammatical English, that is different. So I divided the common errors here into two parts. First one, grammatical errors, and here in this part, cultural error. I will give you example here for grammatical and for cultural. What is the difference between these two? Okay, so here common errors will be divided into two parts, that is grammatical errors and cultural errors. See, I will write some sentences, examples. There are 6 females among the visitors. There are 6 females among the visitors. So here find the error, cultural error. If we see, there are 6 females among the visitors. Here instead of female we should write women but not females. Okay, so this type of errors will be called as cultural errors. So this is cultural error. We sort out here. Instead of females we should write women. So here females is a cultural error. So we correct the sentence with this word women. Okay, so this is right. Here this is wrong. So this type of error is called cultural error. So one more example, you also try it. You also write in comment box one more example for cultural error. I saw a one-eyed beggar So what is the error in this sentence? There is no error. No error. I saw a one-eyed beggar. It is right. You don't think that this is one-eyed beggar before the vowel? We should write an, but it's not. It's a consonant sound. So we will write a one-eyed beggar. It is only the right answer. It is only the right sentence, okay? Of course, I think you know it very well. And one more common error. I gave him one and half rupee. So find out the common error here. I gave him 1.5 rupee. So here the common error is this is rupee. Instead of rupee, we should write rupees, but not rupee. Rupees. This is the right. This is wrong. I gave him 1.5 rupees, but not rupee. And one more important one. I congratulated him for his success. So here you know this one very well, because in spoken English also we will use this sentence very often. That is, I congratulated him. Congratulations when you will get good marks, when you will get good position, when you will get something good, then your friends will congratulate you. That is, I congratulated. Congratulations on your success. Every time congratulated on. The preposition for congratulations, the prepositions on will come. So for is wrong here. On. This is the right one. We should correct this sentence with the preposition on. Congratulated him on his success, but not for his success. Only some of important common errors I am writing here. See, the video is moving. One more important one. My brother has 4 sister-in-laws. See, my brother has 4 sister-in-laws. This is here sister-in-law. Sister-in-law, it's a relation, and when you have more than a single member, then we should write sisters-in-law, but not sister-in-laws. Sisters-in-law. This is the right form. but not sisters. We don't add s here. We should add s to the sister. This is the wrong. My brother has 4 sisters-in-law. See the sentence once again. The problem of you is my problem. The problem of you is my problem. Yes, instead of you, we should write yours, but not you. Yours is. Okay, this is the right one. The problem of yours is my problem. These are the very common errors and very important to correct it. So here are the very frequent question in most of the competitive examinations. The climate of and in intermediate level, 10th class level, we will get this type of correction of the sentence, this type of example for sure, without any doubt we will get the question. The climate of Hyderabad is hotter than the climate of hotter than Vijayawada. Okay. Vijayawada. So here the climate of Hyderabad is hotter than Vijayawada. When we are comparing two cities here, with climate, so here the two cities Hyderabad and Vijayawada, the both cities are compared with climate, but not with people, but not with money, but not with any other thing else, So when we will compare these any two cities, then we should correct the sentence. The climate of Hyderabad is hotter than, not Vijayawada. What Vijayawada? Hotter than. Here we should write the comparison. The climate of Vijayawada. Okay. The climate of Hyderabad is hotter than the climate of Vijayawada. Or instead of the climate of, you can use that of. That's also nice. That of. That's also the climate of Vijayawada, or the climate of Hyderabad is hotter than that of Vijayawada. This is also. So here we should write the climate. Okay. So see one more example. She is senior than me. So here instead of than we should use to. Always you should prefer to use to only when you are going the word, you are going with this word senior. Senior to, junior to, prefer to. This preposition only you should write to correct the sentence, but not than here. She is senior than me, it is wrong. She is senior to me. Okay, so here these are the some of the important common errors in English. So common errors mainly divided into two parts, which is grammatical errors and cultural errors. So for cultural error I give the example, and these all are with prepositions. When there is an parts of speech error, when there is an punctuation error, spelling error, those are grammatical errors, and this type of errors are called cultural error. Okay, thank you.